A new assessment by the Internal Displacement Monitoring Centre has found that Manipur's conflict has turned into one of India's most prolonged displacement crises, with more than 78,000 people still displaced as of October this year, since violence erupted in May 2023. The IDMC report, based on a field visit in late September, reveals that 53,202 people remain in government-run relief camps, while 25,699 are living with host families. The report notes that no formal resettlement has taken place so far. Conditions in many relief camps across the Imphal Valley are described as overcrowded and deteriorating. Entire families are living in rooms as small as 9 by 11 feet, with frequent water shortages, blocked septic tanks, poor sanitation, and rising illnesses. Mental health concerns are severe, with increasing cases of depression, anxiety, and even suicides, particularly at the Lamboi Khongnangkhong relief camp. Sajua relief camp reports the worst sanitation, while Khangabok remains overcrowded despite cleaner facilities. In the Kuki-dominated hill districts, the situation mirrors the valley but is worsened by geographic isolation. Strict movement restrictions and checkpoints along National Highway 2 have hindered the flow of essential supplies. Travel outside the state now costs up to 10,000 rupees per person via Mizoram. Water shortages, typhoid cases, lack of maternal care and limited sanitary pad distributions are adding to the hardships. Livelihoods across communities remain shattered. Many displaced persons say they are paid less for the same work due to their IDP status. Government support has also declined. Meitei IDPs receive only 80 rupees a day, while Kuki families say their previous annual support of 1,000 rupees per person has been discontinued. The report warns that government engagement with relief camps has weakened, with nodal officers rarely visiting and displaced families left uncertain about any return or relocation plans. International humanitarian presence is minimal, with Medicine Sans Frontiers (MSF) scaling back from Churajanpur and the Red Cross no longer active. Faith-based groups have stepped in to fill critical gaps in the hills. The IDMC concludes that Manipur's displacement has now become a long-term humanitarian and political crisis with no durable solutions in sight. It calls for renewed political dialogue, structured resettlement planning, and transparent delivery of aid.